Hello and happy holidays. Welcome to the 2024 Sounds of the Season. I am Sandrine ERDELY-SAYO, pianist, artistic director of Piano on the Rocks International Festival. Elizabeth Peña, co-director, and myself are very excited to invite you to a special afternoon of timeless music and festive cheer. I will be joined by a young artist, actor, singer, pianist who just turned 17, Andersen Blomberg, whose captivating presence will add a special touch to our afternoon. This unique concert is a delightful blend of classical masterpieces by Bach, Liszt, Tchaikovsky, evocative Yiddish music, and of course, our beloved Christmas carols that will fill your heart with joy and nostalgia. It's this weekend, December 14 at 3 p.m. at Bradley Hall, Verde Valley School in Sedona, Arizona, and it's an afternoon of joy, celebration, and music. See you then.